when those seats vibrated.
Oh, I didn't really notice.
How are you, Jen?
I'm good, how are you?
Doing okay. How are you, Timmy?
Tired.
Tired? What did you do today?
I have to work tomorrow.
Well, that's tomorrow, not today.
But we'll be staying at your resort that you're
Not
currently
really.
working at.
Not really.
Not really.
Alright, so we are headed towards the room. Oh, ooh, check out the view, Jen.
Alright. Alright, well let's go see where our room is.
Oh, there's Jurassic Park.
So,
So what does it say on
Welcome
your
to
card?
16.
Jurassic Park.
1621. Okay, so the numbers.
Hi everyone, I'm Jen.
And I'm Joe.
And we're Jen and Joe on the go.
So we are where, Jen?
We're at Lowe's Royal Pacific Resort. We just got our room ready and it's 1621. So what do we, how do we get in?
You swipe your card so you can actually open
This?
the door. I think so, so let's see. We are doing our room tour.
Oh, good news, it opened.
Oh, it opened. Is the door kind of heavy?
Yes.
Well, let's turn the light on.
I want to take off the shoes too.
Okay. Well, here's our room for the next couple of days.
Oh, wow. So, let's see.
Lights. Other light. Right next to the first light. There you go.
All right. So you walk in, and to the left is the bathroom.
You got a single sink,
Some towels, some toiletries.
mirror. It's cute.
You've got the bathtub shower combo with more toiletries.
And I'll
Oops.
let you come out. I'll take a quick look at that.
Oh, this is nice. Wow, wait till you see our view, Joe. It's
Okay.
somebody's favorite ride. Oh, look at
Wow,
that.
they're here already.
This is a great view.
All right, so here's the rest of the room.
Poor Timmy. So I like how there's two chairs.
Yeah,
I like how each side of the bed has a nightstand.
yeah.
Nice desk area. Nice dresser. Nice TV. Ooh. So you got your little cold fridge. You've got
And your stuff for the
Keurig.
coffee.
coffee and tea, creamer, cups, sugars.
Ice bucket.
Yeah.
Got some drawers. TV.
And look at the view.
Let's check out the view. All right. So it's
So this is nice.
I mean, the river text goes right by there. We were just
Yeah.
on that. So yeah, here's islands. There's the Hulk. There's the Doctor Doom Death Drop or Doctor Doom Drop, whatever that's called. Oh, there's Hulk going by.
You can see
then
your
Universal,
ride in the back.
yeah.
And then if you look over there, there's the castle. The Harry Potter castle.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so not bad.
So right in front of the castle, looking at that from here, is another roller coaster. I'm wondering if that's Velocicoaster. Right in front of the castle there.
Let me see. Oh, I think that is. Yeah, that would be. Yeah, there's no way I'm going on that. No. No. Nope. Nope. I like the view though. This is really cool.
There's Hulk.
So what do you think?
It's nice.
It is. It's not bad.
And there's that Doctor Doom ride. Jeez. It goes all the way up and then down and down. I've ridden that before. It's been a long time.
We'll probably be able to see the light show on the castle.
I was just thinking that. I bet we will too. I bet we will too.
Well, there is carpeting, so that is the one thing that we just would prefer not to have. Over at Disney, they've redone the rooms where there's no carpeting, which I prefer the no carpeting. But overall, not too bad. Oh, this picture is kind of cool here up on the wall.
It's a little dated. I mean, I think it needs a refresh, but I like the space.
What's in the closet here?
Oh, just, you know, your luggage rack and no extra towel and blanket, but you've got an ironing board, iron safe, but no extra blanket. So I wonder if you're cold, if you have to just call down and ask for it.
Possibly.
All right. Well,
Oh, what is that over there?
looks like hand sanitizer.
Yep, that's what it looks like. Antibacterial hand sanitizer. Well, that's awfully nice of them to leave that here for us. For a second, I thought it was a bottle of vodka.
No.
I was thinking, oh, that would be nice. They left us a bottle of vodka.
All right. Well,
Well, looks comfortable. So overall, it looks like it's a decent room.
It does.
Not too bad. This will be it.
it's clean.
This is the home for the next couple of days. So we'll hopefully the bed will be comfortable. If there's anything goofy that
Happens.
we experience, we'll let you know. We'll come back in and let you know.
They did have our wrong phone number on file. I thought that was interesting.
Well, but he had computer problems at the beginning when we got here, so his computer crashed. So
That's true.
it's understandable, but whatever. It is what it is. We got a room, so it's all good. Clarissa, who is down there, she's taken care of us, what, 3 times now
Yeah,
already
she's really
today
been
since
sweet.
we got here? Very, very cool. Very nice. Was that a Lily Pulitzer dress she was wearing?
Yes, it was.
Yeah, sometimes
Wow.
I recognize these things.
Wow.
Yeah, well, your fashion is rubbing off on me. So, all right.
All right, so don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell because you don't want to miss any of the next Jen and Joe on the go action.
Absolutely, because if you do, you don't know what you're going to be missing.
That's
You're going
true.
to be missing a lot, I'm sure.
All right, bye guys.
Talk to you guys later. Bye.